There's no secret XLeads has the best wholesaling real estate skip tracing out of any other software, but the other big secret is XLeads is the best and cheapest SMS text blasting software in the entire wholesaling space. And what I want to do today is show you exactly how to start SMS text blasting, a full tutorial and guide today using XLeads. So right here, we are inside of XLeads, and if you want to start text blasting your motivated sellers, it's really simple. Remember, the cost of SMS text blasting is about 1 penny per text. That means if you send 5,000 text messages, probably going to cost you about 50 bucks. Now, Zach Ginn, the influencer, not Zach Ginn, the CEO of XLeads, I guess I'm the same guy. I've been very, very big this year on not going out here and just blasting 40,000 text messages a month. In 2026, things have changed a lot where the riches are truly in the niches. And this is going to be very good for your bank account. I've been talking about how the reverse funnel is absolutely the way to go in 2026 when it comes to your texting, your calling, your marketing, right? So reverse funnel is about 3 funnels right here. And the way you should be doing your SMS text blasting, I believe on XLeads, again, I'm not telling you what to do. If you're a guy with a big budget, you're doing 2 or 3 deals a month and you want to just do more wholesaling deals, like bro, if you would be like, hey Zach, I want to do 5 deals every single month, this is not the system for you, right? If you do 5 deals a month, literally just go get a high equity list, go to like 30,000 records and just go to XLeads and blast it. 30,000 records will cost you like $300 in SMS marketing. I mean, duh, like that's the way to go. But for most people watching this, they just want to get their first deal with text blasting on XLeads, right? So what I would tell everyone to do is you don't need to go out here and spend all this money to go out here and text blast on XLeads, right? I would probably tell you first and foremost, I've been a broken record, but government lists, if you can pull all of the pre-foreclosures, the tax delinquencies, the probates, right? The code violations, fire damage properties, the water shutoff list, the evictions, right? The arrest records list, right? All the stuff. And if you can just pile it in here, we have a massive improvement on the CSV import, which we're going to show you on here too. If you take all this government data and just throw it in a CSV, get it skip traced, export it, then go text it, which I'm showing this tutorial today, that is going to be the move for XLeads in 2026. And what I'll tell you, the cool part about this, if you pull all this, and let's just say you live in a regular city, right? You don't live in Phoenix, you don't live in Miami, right? You're living like Columbus, Georgia. You live in Springfield, Ohio, Springfield, Missouri, right? So like a simple market, maybe 500,000 people for your county, nothing too crazy, nothing too small, right? You're probably going to have at most 1,000 of these records, nothing too crazy. Then on top of that too, you should pull the AI sellability score. So the AI lists anything a 700 or above, which I'll show today. And then I would obviously do a SkyDrive list. I would SkyDrive probably your entire zip code. So your entire sellability. I know if you have like the pro annual, you get like 5 zip codes, right? I'd go out here and do all 5 zip codes and I'd SkyDrive anything that's a 70 or above. Now you're going to find probably 500 AI lists for that. And then maybe 100 for the SkyDrive. So what I'm telling you to do is I think the best tutorial right now is you pull 1,000 government lists, you pull 500 from the AI list, 100 here. Remember, the AI list will predict if they're more likely or less likely to want to sell their property. Goes off of credit information, paying their bills, not addresses, billions of data points we can't talk about. 1,600. That's all I'm asking you. Like, if you want to go out here and get a deal a month with XLeads, I'd say about 1,600. And that is going to cost you 16 bucks, legit. And maybe with the phone numbers, okay, let's go say you buy 5 phone numbers, which is going to be $5. You're in total going to be around $20 a month for this system. Guys, this is a $20 per month marketing system inside of XLeads that just prints money. It prints money. And you're telling me that, oh, I don't know, XLeads, I don't know what to do with it. Okay, what other real estate wholesaling software for 20 bucks, you can go out here and pull AI data, go out here and get a wholesaling deal without ever cold calling a seller. This is how you get deals in XLeads without any cold calling at all. And so let's go through the tutorial on how to get this and then how to start texting the seller. So the first one on our list is the government data. Obviously, I am not the government data software, and it is actually very illegal for me to provide you government data straight from the government. There's a couple sources we have. We have a good probate list. We have a pretty good pre-foreclosure list, but I would still say you should pull it straight from the county because it's going to be at least a week younger and a week fresher. So let's say we go to Columbus, Georgia County. Columbus, Georgia's county is Muskogee County. So if I go to Muskogee County probates, right? And again, this data is not the easiest, but if I go to Muskogee County probate court, right, I probably have to go out here and email these people for the probate list. But let's see if we have any searches. We probably can't search. Let's see if we got open records. See if we got public records. Probably can't find a public records on here, but let's go out here and try to find, tax records. Okay. I like that. Search tax records. What do I got here? Okay, I have to go by personal ID. That sucks. Let's see. Map search. Get the tax delinquency list on the map here. All right, we have to publicly get that list later, but okay. Here's the clerk of the court. So I'd go out here and look at copy request, clerk outreach, dockets. So maybe the Superior Court, we got a docket on there, civil docket. So each one has their own bench stuff. So I don't think it's too easy to get this record, which is fine. You just literally go in person and request for the list. Go to courts really quick. Yeah, they're not going to make this easy. So we're going to have to go request it from the clerk of the court here. Oh, they have an Odyssey portal. Oh, even better. So I'd register. Again, this is not full tutorial, but I'd register for the Odyssey portal, get individual account. You can search these records or pull it publicly. And what I do is I go to the leads tab. Once you pull it, organize the data, use AI, right? If you want to learn how we do that, again, this is not XLeads related, but this is just me related. I do teach people how to pull government data and organize it inside of freewholesaling.com. I would go to Classroom. This is completely for free, right? I go to marketing and we have a whole entire government list section, how to organize the data. I'd go through all that. But right here, I'd go to upload CSV and then upload the CSV, street address, city, state, and zip code. I'd upload the records there of all these lists. Now to pull an AI list, I would probably go out here and do schooler. Okay, I can't say it right. Okay, so I got the whole county here. And if you have the X Plan annual, you actually get an entire county for your territory. It should pop up. If you do have any questions, you can literally go to our live chat support on the bottom right-hand corner and just talk to somebody live. If you have any questions, we're more than happy to help you out. But what I'm going to do is going to do the AI list. So the AI list is our sellability score. So I'm in Muscogee County here. I'm going to go to filters. And do you see how every property has a wholesale score? 513, 470. It's from 0 to 1,000. Obviously 1,000 being more motivated. So we're going to go out here, choose anything a 700 or above. And let's see how big this list is. There's 3,600 properties with 700 above. So that's actually a pretty big area for the county. I'm probably going to push it up. Let's do it like 850. We're going to make it a little smaller, maybe a little smaller budget. Not that much. Let's do 800. All right, let's go to 800 here. Wow. Looks like it really drops off at like 850. So let's just do 850 there for the county. Certain zip codes can be crazier. So, all right. So we got that list right here. So we're going to select all here. Now I've got that entire list. Awesome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to SkyDrive this list. So I can go out here and clear out my filters. Now we have 60,000 records. Now, what I could do if I'm absolutely crazy is let's go out here and just choose, let's go to high equities. So let's go out here and make sure these are single family properties, single family homes. Let's make sure that's individual or trust ownership. They own it for at least 5 years. I want at least, let's do 60% equity and let's exclude on market. So make sure it's not actively listed. And I think the big one, if you have the Pro or the X plan, make sure that it is not active investor owned, stops any real estate investor from owning it. So we have 6,700 properties here. Now, what I would personally do if I have like the X annual plan, again, you can do this with any zip code plan you have. Like if you go to plans on X leads, right? If you have, let's say the basic plan, you have 1 AI zip code. If you have the annual and basic, you have 3. Pro annual has 5. You have 3 on the Pro monthly. X monthly, you have 5 AI zip codes. X plan, you have 1 AI county. So depending on your territory, if I had the whole thing, I'd go up here. I'd take this entire list right here and I would just SkyDrive it. So I press SkyDrive AI, start the scan. Proceed anyway. It's a very large list, so this is probably going to take probably an hour or two. And what basically the AI does is it looks at live satellite imagery of the property in real time, analyzes it, and gives it a score from 0 to 100. It's basically AI drawing for dollars, but with live satellite views, which is never before done in any other wholesaling software, which is pretty sick. And it does take a second to go out here and import the property data. So you go scan it, and in real time, the AI is going to go look at the batch. And so now the AI is going out here and looking at each property. So like, for example, this one, it looks at the satellite view and gives it a score of what it thinks, and it goes through the entire list. Now it's going to take obviously a while to do because it's 7,000 properties, so your zip code is going to be a little smaller. But why this is going in the background here, we can go out here and just start talking about when you get all that data, right? So obviously when you get that data, you're going to export it, make sure lead trace is included and all the other important data. Then you're going to go to contacts. You're going to go to import the data. So you import the CSV list, something like this right here. You import it, create an update. First name, last name, recipient address is mailing. We don't need that. Property address can be street address. City is going to be city. State's going to be state. Zip code's going to be postal code. And then we match basically phone 1, email. Then phone 2 is additional phones. So after you import all that data, you go to the next part, and then you'd go out here and just add the imported contacts to a workflow. So if you want to go ahead and just SMS this list, all you literally need to do is go to add tags and tag it SMS. And I do SMS blaster, and automatically these leads are going to be started to be blasted out and texted right there. So if it's 1,600, it'll text probably 100 per hour. for the next day or two, and boom, the texting's done. Simple and easy right there. Now, if you want to go ahead and change the scripts and everything, all you have to do is just go to automation right here. And this is what I recommend everyone does. You just go down here to the SMS folder. Then you go to the SMS blaster bulk drip, and then you can go change how many texts you send out per day right here, how many drips per hour, and then you can change your scripts. So you can obviously just copy this and then paste it or make your own. So for example, I can go copy this, go like ChatGPT and say, make 10 better wholesaling outbound scripts than this, make it compliant for X leads. And what it's going to do is going to make the scripts for you to copy and paste in the same format that we want. And what we can basically do is, we don't really need the opt-outs because the opt-outs are already done for you in here. But hey, John, just looking to buy a property in the area. I came across this one. All right, that's not too bad. I don't want to talk about selling too much on here. Just making sure I have the right person. Is this the owner? All right, that one's fine. I can just copy that one. And all I have to do is really paste it, then test it with your phone number right there, and you'll be good to go and change all your scripts. I recommend you change the scripts a lot. And if you want to check the statistics and see how effective your scripts are, you can literally go down here like SMS, go to statistics, and see your deliver rate, your click rate, your failed rate, your opt-outs. It's not just so you know your overall stats for your SMS, but how effective the SMS is for you. Now, going back out here, the only thing you gotta do if you go to start SMS text blasting is you go to settings, go out here and buy a phone number. So press add phone number, throw it right here. And then if you're gonna do like the 561 area code, match the first part to first part number, go to, let's do 561 area code, press apply, and all the numbers right there you can buy are right there. Now, obviously, this is like $1.26 per phone number. Sometimes the prices go up or down. And then you buy the phone number, and then you want to get your A2P done. Now, this is very important. You are not going to do the A2P by yourself. A lot of people think you need to be doing the A2P by yourself. Do not do the A2P by yourself. Our team on X Leads will literally go out here and do the A2P for you. See, a lot of people want to do it by themselves. It is annoying. It's a lot of time, a lot of work, and most likely you're going to get denied. Listen to me, bro. What I highly recommend is you go out here and you have our team do it for you for free. That's why X Leads is so cool. We'll do the A2P registration for you. All you need to do is go to the bottom right-hand corner right here, go to the chat assist, say, I want to get my A2P done. It'll send you to a live person. Say, I want you to do the A2P for me. Give me an email support ticket, and boom, our team will ask you a couple questions. They'll email you back and forth, and we'll get the A2P done absolutely for free for you. So that's how you get the A2P. Then from there, start texting with the automations, tag the properties, and start making a ton of money wholesaling real estate with X Leads. This is by far the cheapest, most easiest non-cold calling system that is the least amount of time for you to start doing deals using the ultimate real estate wholesaling software, X Leads. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.